Hello friends, today's date is 19th January 2022 and today's video topic is iterator in Java. So let's see what is the iterator in Java. The Java iterator was introduced in the Java that is 1.2 and it is still not the oldest tool available to traverse through the element of the collection object. And the iterator it is the one of the Java programming language is the emulator that is iterator, and Java iterator interface the emulator iterator that was practiced in the beginning to traverse over some accessible collections like the array list, and it is also known as the universal cursor. And Java it is the appropriate for the all the classes for the collection framework, and it helps to the operations, for example read and remove, and we can compare the iterator interface with the enumeration iterator interface, and we can say that the names of the methods is available in a Java iterator, or more precise and to use. Then iterator in a Java is become a very prevalent due to its numerous advantages. Some advantages of the Java iterator is the user can apply this iterator to any of the classes of the collection framework, and in a Java iterator we can use both the read and remove operations. If user is working with the for loop, they cannot be add or remove the collections, whereas if they use the Java iterator, and they can simply update the collections. The Java iterator is considered the universal cursor for the collection API. Then the method names in the Java iterator are very easy and are very simple to use. Then now we can see the disadvantages of the Java iterator. The Java iterator it is used for the replacement and extension of a new component that is not approved by the Java iterator. And next one is a CRUD operation. It is does not hold the various operations like create and update, and it is it is does not supports the traversing element in the parallel pattern, which implies that Java iterator support only sequential iterations, and also it does not support the more reliable executions to traverse the bulk volume of data. Then it is now we can see how to use the Java iterator. When a user needs to use the Java iterator, it is compulsory for them to make an instance of the iterator interface from the collection of objects they desire to traverse over. Then after that the received iterator maintains the trails of the components in the collections, and to it collections to make sure that the user will traverse over each of the elements from the collection objects. Then the has next, remove, and for each remaining that methods was used in the iterator. The for each remaining method is added in the Java 8. Then boolean has next. It is the method. It does not accept any parameter, and it returns the true if there are more elements left in the iterations. If there are no more elements left, then it will return the false. Then default white remove. This method is also does not require any parameters. There is no return type of this method, and the main function of this method is to remove the last element and return by the iterator traversing through the underlying the collections. Then for each remaining method, it is the only method of Java iterator that takes the parameters, and it accepts the actions as a parameters. Action is nothing but that is to be performed, and there is a no return type of the method. So it's all about the information of the iterator in the Java. Thank you so much.